I will talk to him.
Wala wende no inside abi.
Yeah, you see inside.
I see it too. I'm not seeing it.
Can I make it?
Should go before you.
Wait, come on. Fire, so the fire.
Sylvester Obuedo Iwoba.
Okay, now that your client has been sentenced to 2 years, what's
As we this to
11 months in prison.
What's your response to this judgment? Are you okay with it?
yes, there is no way I will tell you that I'm not okay with it because it is a plea bargain agreement. That was the agreement was signed with the government when we agreed on the issue of plea bargain. And the government kept to their own side by sentencing him 11 months imprisonment. That is our agreement with them. We don't have anything against it.
In other words, what you're saying here is that there's no room for appeal. The case stops here.
How would there be a room for appeal where we consented for it? We made a bargain with them, so it's as small as consent judgment. So we agreed to it. So there's no need of going to an appeal. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.